Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram highlight loading problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. Now as you see, go to the search and search on Instagram. Now go to the storage next, and here as you see we'll find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe you can try to clear data. But be careful, when you clear data, all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, settings, databases, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.